right. So it's the same thing than last time, a month ago, that 1st of March my Copilot usage will reset and I have used only 20%. Is it a problem that I haven't leveraged AI as much as I could? No, of course not, but now that I have this chance again, I might as well use those credits. What was I doing? Yes. This will be business skills, knowledge, life work. I think it's life work. Okay. Terminal, let's see. Where is it? Update time. Wait, what? Where's my Git repository? Kipnuni website. Okay. Let's first see what changes have I made. I added more languages. It's fine. Let's see if this works. Okay, good. Very nice, very nice. So, what do I have here? Very zoomed in view. You have Docker installed in on your system. Do you want to install it now? I have, it seems, many PowerShell terminals open. SL. No idea why that is. Just 20%. Yeah. What is this? Previous spec license. Is this mine? I don't even know what that means. But yeah, it seems like I have pretty extensive technical specification. I don't know what will happen with all the wipe coding. I just developed the Gamified Politics project for around 1.5 hours. And how much did I write code? 0. I didn't write a single line. And at half point, maybe even before, I didn't even want to open any tabs, any code. I didn't want to see it. I was just looking at the results, thinking, okay, what I want to do. Then I wrote like 5-6 things, do this. Then I put AI work to work, and then I started to think, okay, what's next? After it has created those 400 lines in a few minutes, what will I ask next? And of course, it butchers something that it doesn't understand what I mean, but then I just, hey, you did this, I want this instead. And it fixes quite quickly. It doesn't need to do everything again. So let's see if that will happen here as well. What is Jest? Jest is a testing. It's nice that I have no idea what I'm even npm run dev. See if this does something. No. How do I run this? I have Docker. Wait. Do I run this on Docker? Should I just ask AI, hey, how do I even run this? So I have front end, I have back end. Seems like I need to start a new. I need to start Docker. Do I have Docker here? Okay, I have it. And then on the front end, this folder, I have the package JSON. Yeah, it uses Vite. Then backend. Why do I have backend? What will be there? E to E. 1 month ago, I did something, but this is the problem with wipe coding. I haven't installed many of these myself. I haven't looked at the code. Components, okay. Yeah, this is simple, but I'm just trying to, probably says here how to deploy this. Front-end configure Vite for production. Deployment, that's deployment. How do I open this? Backend project structure. Installation, clone the installed frontend. So I need at least one frontend, one backend. I guess that's why. No, it is PowerShell. I don't know which one is better. One for backend. Copy. Why? Ah, yeah, of course. Environmental variables. Let's see if I have some. These are just copy. Okay, but that's the installation. Test dependencies. Running the application. Docker compose. MongoDB. I don't think I should even have it. Why do I have that? Docker could not be found. For this, I might need this. Okay. Version is absolute. It will be ignored. Please remove it. Let's open this. I don't think I have logged in here in any way. But I can open the or start the front end and back end at least. Something is going on here. So maybe it was about that. What was the problem? Version is absolute. Okay. But I don't even need Docker, so I'm just gonna ignore it. And npm run dev. Backend is running. Why? Good question. That's backend, this is front end. And npm run dev. Content is running. Very nice. Where do I have my development? I think I use Chrome. It's updated. Hi Kipnuni. Hello. Let's use localhost. What was it? 5173. Takes quite a long time. Full Docker stack. Using Docker. Running tests. Oh. What is this? V1. Okay. So it wasn't okay. So I have dev main v1. I guess on the dev v1 is from the dev branch. Graph. Initial commit. This was on main. I don't know if I can see it. US3. August. Huh? Anyways. It's fine. Okay, the idea is first freelance project. Yeah, you wish. The idea is that I have around an hour 20. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up 7 a.m. and I'm gonna spend the whole day socializing until the very late evening probably. I'm not gonna sleep well, I know that, because well, I have had some problems in falling asleep. This coding this screen might have an effect that, but the main point is tired anyways. But no, that wasn't the main point. The main point is that this website, Kipnuni, is what I have on here, info, kipnuni.com. And where does it lead? Well, it doesn't lead anywhere. This information is not sufficient. I live in Tampere Life Project. Okay. This is just the placeholder. That was the point. Okay, I have a link. Then there's a link to my YouTube channel. Great. What is my goal? This doesn't explain anything. On my LinkedIn profile, I have more information. And the main reason why I haven't linked more stuff to here is because there is nothing here. So one plan now is to put something, to replace this with something else. And this whole website is now It's now completely different. On that main, I just had the index HTML pretty much. Put that there. What is the first working version that I want to reach? Okay, that's good. That's good. Arabic. That's good. Okay, so I wanted to have from the start 4 languages, which is very nice. I like this. And this doesn't work. So the first thing is to replace this. Although operations, DevOps, how does it work? This is not. I'm gonna ask AI. GPT-5 Mini. Let's use Gemini. Maybe it knows something. Ask. In this project, I have front end and back end and Docker. And MongoDB and such. This is a dev branch on my main. When I push the main branch to GitHub, there is an Azure that assures and I just any let's just ask something. this ball rolling. If I can, I don't think so. What do I have it even on backend? Should it have any data? Or do I? Wait. Models. Shouldn't change anything. Okay. When I wipe coded that game fan politics project, I didn't read anything. I was just writing my stuff and looking at the result and writing again. But let's see, how will it work? And can I point the build at the front on? Yes. Configure your Azure apps workflow. Just build the front end by setting app location, the front end, and API location to 0. Okay. Will succeed and host static files HTML. Okay. It work. Is there any relevant data coming from outside? Load, but it will not fully work. Azure free tier only hosts static webs sites files. Node.js API requires MongoDB. If you only deploy the front end, your API requests, because your Docker containers won't be deployed or running. Option A, split hosting. Keep the front end on Azure. Host your MongoDB remotely using managed service like MongoDB Atlas. Azure Container App, Render, or Railway. Defined in your Docker ensure. Instead of local host. Rewrite API. Host the database externally on MongoDB Atlas. Everything as containers. That's what I'm thinking. I asked this some time ago. How could you move away from static web apps? And it suggested using containers and Azure product that doesn't have fixed cost, but rather scaling one. Meaning that if the container, or every time someone accesses the website, it starts the container. And if the app is very, or a big one, there would be some delay. I don't care about that delay. I think because the cost would be pretty low. I don't mind paying even €5 a month for this. This will be quite a big project, I imagine. Okay. multi-container Docker deployments. Is there? What? At some point I want to have time to explore other providers than Azure, but for now I'm just going to go with that. Let's first ask. Yeah. So with this approach, I would need to build the Docker image, I think, all the time again. It's not great. In the end, although, yeah, let me write some notes because it's important. So my website is here. So the thing is, I will have a certain workflow where I make some notes, I push them to somewhere, and it needs to update my website. I'm gonna have a card. Hey, this is what I did today. It can include PDFs, it can, or an image, it can include text, some predefined categories, tags, and then just push that and it should show on my website. Of course, I can make a dev account on my website, or not dev, admin account, where I can add those, but actually that sounds like the easiest one. I'm just gonna use my website to write the stuff as well. Anyways, yeah, maybe that is the best one. Here are the cheapest options. Multi-container. Stateful database. Basic virtual machine is generally the cheapest and most reliable option. Server install Docker and run your exact month plus small managed OS disk. Web app for containers. Nope. This is about the, okay, about that. Ideas. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I think, yeah, let's just go with this. Azure Container Apps Serverless Consumption Plan. There is no HTTP traffic. Seconds they run. Highly generous free grant. 2 million requests and seconds per month are free. Few cents. Visits after a period of inactivity, just boot container usually causes a 5 to 15 second delay. Okay. Permanent free tier. Two separate. It sounds the easiest to just separate all three. And the thing is, my code will be very small compared to big projects. I mean, well, it's 11 p.m. I don't care. I don't care. Let me. Do I care? Do this later. Point is, if I have websites running tomorrow, it could benefit something. Should I just update this instead? I could have the ideas at least there, and then I think that's the best way. Yeah, I think that's the best. So everything down here. Yeah, just delete this. I don't know if I need to shut Docker. Let's just do that. Some more space. Okay, better. PowerShell chest. Okay. Info. All right. So I will switch to. I could have done that on there as well. Git. would be overwritten by checkout. Ah, wait. Yeah, sure. Just random. Add. Guess. Okay. Of course, I could have made this larger. Such a noob. No, I don't need the whole page. Git repository has too many active changes. What? This is main, but why does it have all this? Use Git. So now it thinks I have all this. This is why you should use the, what was it, some tree. I can't. Do I have the... No, wait, this is Kipnuni website. Where is it? Mount users. Life work. Wait, what? Kipnuni website. Ah, okay. Yeah. Question: why do I have it on Windows side? Maybe I had some problems. Yeah, because it doesn't delete those files. Now it's things. Updating files. So I want to... Oh. Huh. What? This wasn't what I intended. Magnifying class. What? Oh no. What is this? Very interesting. I want to see how the stream looks like. Okay. What is this? And task. Apparently I activated magnifying class. Try to do this. Okay. So I need to separate this. Can I show this? I don't know. Just to be sure. I don't remember what is here. Ah, no. Of course, this is life work. I thought this was my main one. So keep the new website. I have this. What I want to do is is add another. Let's see, where do I have saved info? Just gonna add a new chat. Wait. Git. Probably here. How to separate. On Windows was not necessary. Work tree. Yes, git work tree add. Next. Standard way. Switch. Clones. And branch name. So let's see. Git work tree. Let's do main. Clearly I didn't use this correct. Unknown command. Do I need to add that? Okay. Preparing, checking out main. Wait, what? Git branch. v1. Nope. So again. Index specs. Okay, this is simple. I like it. So now I have two folders. Now we can get going. But this is. Did I just use go live? Don't say it. Port 5. Okay. This is the full, okay. So it's 5,000. No. 500. Okay, yeah, that just happened. So no need to use speed server. Okay, it's minimum. I like this. Maybe I can even understand input CSS. Wait, this is source. Then there's index. Huh. Did I really just raw dog this? One HTML file. The plan. What do I need here? Because I had have those. I have that. No. Chat. Meta Horizon. I spent like 30 euros for that. Now it ends the Horizon Plus subscription. I didn't play any VR games. It was a mess. It's very common with me that I think I have time, but no. And I don't. So, what do I want? What do I need? Because this is... Oh. Yeah, okay. Life work. Oh my. I think I'm still using that, but not as much. What do I want to tell about myself? Do I have the... Do I have... What? It's too difficult to understand. My skills. What is this? Life work. LinkedIn. I need to update this as well. It's a start. Maybe. What is my goal? Create here. Readme. Start adding some. So plan is have some list. Socials. Goal. Who I am. Here there is the LinkedIn. Kipnuni. Kipnuni. I don't use these much, but it doesn't matter. YouTube channel, of course. GitHub. Telegram. Email. Contact email. Telegram. Okay, but at least there will be a section for socials. YouTube might have a separate section like this. This is fine. Why helper of humanity? What did this bring from Google? Helping humanity. I have no idea. I just started using this. What are helpers of humanity? How did they come to be helpers? Okay. Okay. What is this? February 9th. What? Truth is the first step upon. Huh? Call it the soul if you like, or the spirit. Laziness, envy, dishonesty. Inner God. Okay. What's out of us? Choose. Failing often. Yeah, maybe I will do some brand research in the future. But I spent another 20 minutes. So, helper of humanity. I am. I think this should be the other way around. Kipnuni equals. One and same. Life work. Yeah, I have a lot of rebranding to do at some point. Though this whole Windows profile is called life work. Very, very important is the website is under construction. Construction. My goal, I can use the same. I can leave that. That's fine. Socials, so mentioning. Maybe this should be about contact. Real life. All right. I'm gonna add more socials, of course. My goal. Personal. I will. Yeah, that's not. This is fine. What did I write on my LinkedIn profile? Just gonna copy this, I think. YouTube, completely different. Let's put it here. My goal. Then my work. GitHub as well. Thirteen videos. I will take another screenshot. Kipnuni music is no longer. This is quite good. Guess this goes there. Okay. Image here. Let's use Claude. The same. Semi. Mm. Interested in plan or their bubbles. Even even only to say hi. Most easy thing. The easiest thing. I think it's already enough. My colors are pink and. This is not planned. This is website content. Theme colors. Black, white, brown. Main. Highlight. Pink. Brown. Let's do brand theme colors. Then I have Raven. So with the generous. Wait, huh? Yes. What is that? Yeah. Generous. Create your own touch. Go, Claude. It should work only like two files. Okay, maybe 4. So when it works on mobile, tablet, and desktop, as that data, I'll quickly switch back to the other project. Put Claude, work more. Although 7 hours. I need to wake up. Okay, I think after this I will, yeah, I don't have time. Maybe tomorrow on the train I could try to work with my laptop. What's the chance that the website will be completely pink? Hello, kitty. What are you evaluating? I thought this was way too simple plan for Claude. Huh? Is it stuck? Come on, do something. Rewrite. Has it done anything? There should be. Oh, nice timer. Should be a limit. how long the... Yeah, I can work on this. Okay. That's what I was waiting for. Replacing 91 rows. Yeah, that's about right. Brand research. But I must say, the vibe coding, I really like it. I never liked learning some syntax. Hey, I know how to write a link with relative the main coding without any auto finish. Like this is easy, okay. Bit more difficult maybe. So it added 200 lines. And validate is move. Okay. Site under construction. And that should be a bit get in touch. In my repositories, it's not that. Good try. Localhost, localhost, localhost. Site under construction. Okay. I will change this. First, I will keep everything. It's fine. That, yes, it's Kipnuni, but same time, just a made up name. The dark, it's really dark. I need to add that. I'm very interested in getting to know other good people, and especially ones who do stuff and not just plan or stay in their bubbles. Wait. Yeah, bubble. Hub. Contact me. Should be the easiest thing. I tend to think outside of social norms, so there's really no need to act anything with me. I'll take the responsibility to adjust because that's who I am and what I want to remain. What I want to I'll just remove that maybe. Where is it? There. What is that? GitHub. Nothing. Nothing. Special. What will be? Where I create. Doesn't need it. Wait. Does it need it? This? No? I don't think so. Maybe I can. Okay. I can. Yeah. Okay. Where I create. TikTok, of course. I don't use TikTok, but could be there. I create live streams on YouTube, and in time we'll create videos explaining my ideas. Better communication, better education, simpler politics. Different level knowledge. I want to improve democracy because if it worked, I would just trust that people together would work on the problems and I would enjoy a more peaceful life. Need it. Yeah, it's fine. It really is fine. The only problem I have is the background. It's way too dark. By mastering my thoughts and emotions, I build myself meaning that aligns with my deepest desires. Meaning from it. Maybe meaning on top of it. On it. Okay, I wouldn't have done it this way, but um, yeah, this will give some ideas at least. How to, yeah, give some ideas. What to develop then later. Someone who faced nothing is meaning. On it. On top of it. Okay. There is too much repetition here. I kind of like this. Do I need this? Yeah, there is too much repetition, but overall it kind of works. That's one warning. Am I using CDN? I'm using CDN. What? Right. Right. I shouldn't use CDN. How to not use. Fix the problem. Shouldn't it work? I want to test the mobiles. Ah, this is Chrome. I was like, what? Yeah, works fine. Now it's mostly just. Yeah. Go do your thing. Now it's mostly putting those links, getting them right. I do have that Vivaldi there. Does it show? Start page. Wait, do I have socials here? Is it supposed to be? I'm not gonna show this, though I showed it quickly. New. network. This will be my just gonna the links. Twitter. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, of course. Other links I need. Telegram. Let's see. How to link it. Where is Gemini? Private group channel specific message. Profile. See if this does something. Yeah. And then what about done? Always allow. Wait, what do you want to do? Dev build. Okay. Yeah, of course I need the output CSS. I'm sure it's fine. Let's see. Where's the app again? So LinkedIn, I have this. Yeah, that's the last one. Basic link. With subject. Full template. I guess this is if I want to have a form. Yeah. This will be my 2. See what. Do I get any errors? Nope. It's good. Then just test those links. Should be fine. YouTube is already there. GitHub is wrong. Of course, I will test those. Here. Am I blind? Ah. This is this, I guess. Email, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, and currently the most important one, which is LinkedIn. Yeah, I don't have any story. Why does it say? My website is public, yes. Seems to be working fine. Telegram did work. Contact email. And I'm not gonna use it. Okay. Everything should be fine. YouTube, visit my channel. Checked. Kipnuni. And GitHub. I might want to change this. Journalism in metaverse. Monad, school tic-tac-toe. Oh, 5.5 years ago. Game project, school. Okay. %100 commits. Been that active. But everything seems to be in condition. What? Okay, I don't care. This is good enough. Let me see. Changes hasn't been made. Here. Yes. Just everything. Commit. And or git commit. Guess I need to test that. Read this. Okay. That's a good one. Keep. Nice. And once it's completed, works here. Okay, did I really spend an hour on this? Actually, an hour 40 minutes. While I wait for this to update, do I have any words I want to document? My life is weird. I just don't get used to it. Today I came from work. I was hungry, I ate, and then again I stopped. I just sat here. I didn't know what to do. Do I eat more? Yeah, I thought I was tired a bit, but clearly not that tired. Because I'm so used to I didn't use tailwind. This is great. What was it? I'm so used to of the I'm used to a certain rhythm, habit, that if I'm a bit tired, I might just start watching entertainment. But yeah. And it doesn't feel right to continue developing, thinking. That really is what I want to do. There really isn't anything else. Is there error here? Ah. thing is, this would have been quite embarrassing for a year or two ago, but today it's really not. I'm already getting, or I have gotten used to and over it, who I am, what I do. Just wipe code, think. Okay. So you change the dependencies. To do. So yeah, I am getting used to this. Helper of humanity. As well. Follow the GitHub. Just GitHub, where is it? There, I think. No? Chrome. Logged in here. What have I used? Aren't any cookies here? I have multiple browsers, but I'm not logged in to GitHub. Why? Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I'm sure it will work. I can follow it on my phone. Or I can't. Wait. Sure if it shows the actions here. Repositories. Three minutes ago. Fixed headwind issue. 1 minute ago. How fast are Azure's servers. Not that fast. Does it say anything here? No. So main. Check out. Load. Okay, no, yeah, that doesn't do anything. Let me read this. Okay. Still nothing happened. Cite your... There's nothing here. Ah, there is. Just not using it. Wait. Is it the right? Test output. No, there aren't any. Now I don't get it. AI assistant. I will open it on my phone as well. Can I write? Okay, Here it works. So it's not, you don't need to, yeah, it was just the browser. Of course. Problem is, wait. This is very dark. This is very dark. See if it's responsive. Yeah, I guess it is. Okay, it works. It just didn't work. Didn't work with that. There's yeah, here it works. So there was some problem. Even I don't even know. Anyways, that's it. Way too long. Way too long stream. Way too little value. It's fine. Let's close this. 2 files changed. Yeah, no need. There's some change. But what? Didn't I? Of course, this doesn't show the change. I don't care. I will do this later, but now live. Okay. That's it.